Throughout the country, there's a lot of NCI stations, and a lot of them have taken over old Coast Guard stations, which begs the question why they're not used anymore. Well, back in the 90s, the Coast Guard did a restructuring and became more centralised. That enabled them to provide more efficient search and rescue operations and monitor the coast. What it does mean is that they can't actually see what happens on the beach or what happens locally unless they get a call from the public or from us. And that's what we do from the tower up there, is we monitor the beaches, we have eyes along the coast, monitor local boats, and if any of them get into trouble or there are people that look like they're in trouble, we have a direct line to the Coast Guard.
We have good partnership relationships with the RNLI, the CRT, which is the Coastal Rescue Team, and the Beach Lifeguards. It was formed following an incident in Cornwall when 2 fishermen lost their lives, and so the locals decided to volunteer and open up the lookout. It was 1998 that Exmouth was formed as an NCI station.
It's over 120 years old. Over the course of last winter, we had water coming in 3 areas. So we decided to take the major step of putting a major scaffold up to sort out the external treatment of the brickwork. But we used to have 2 facilities here. One, the tower, and one Coastwatch house, which is no longer here. We lost Coastwatch house in the storms of April of this year. That meant the tower becomes so much more vital for us. And there was a product called Storm Dry, which you applied to the brickwork once you repaired it. We were told of the Brewers Foundation that could help us with this. So we applied, and fortunately that they provided the Storm Dry paint, which is a substantial cost to us free of charge.
We are entirely funded by the public and by donations. We get no money from the government at all. Through the restoration project that we've had to do, those donations and those companies that have helped us have been able to maintain the tower, been able to keep it open to continue the work with the search and rescue teams that we do. Well, from Exmouth NCI, I'd like to say a big thank you to Brewers for helping us with this project, providing us with some of the equipment and enabling us to carry on saving lives along the coast. Thank you.